Sawadika, tukon! This is my betta fish. Betta Jen is the name. Charot. Halika, samahan niyo ako mag-practice ng watercolor. Ito kasing amats ko ngayon eh. So, ito nga pala yung gamit ko, yung Winsor & Newton na Cotman. Nilagay ko lang siya sa watercolor palette. Ayan. Watercolor palette na ginawa ko. Ayan. Ang dumi, diba? Tapos nilagyan ko lang din ng logo ko. And since hindi pa ako expert at nagpa-practice pa lang ako, ang gamit ko dito is yung pinagtabasan lang ng Arches 300 GSM 100% cotton na paper. Yes, I know, mahal yon. Pero sabi kasi ng YouTuber na fina-follow ko, your paper is just as important as your other tools. Mas maganda daw kasing gamitin ang 100% cotton paper dahil mas nakaka-absorb siya ng tubig. Para naman hindi maglilibag yung papel nyo kapag nagpatong-patong kayo ng colors. Charot! Dati na-intimidate din ako sa watercolors pero napag-alaman ko kasi na importante din talaga yung quality ng papel na gagamitin nyo. Alam mo yung pagka nagpatong-patong ka ng colors, nagiging kulay ka na. So, akala ko dati I'm a bad artist. But it's not me. It's the paper. Allah, naging paniki. Pero ayun nga, isa sa mga natutunan ko is that investing in good quality art materials isn't about being fancy. It's about giving yourself the right tools to grow. Kapag kasi maganda yung flow ng paint and yung papel mo hindi naglilibag and the color shows up the way you imagine them, diba? Mas magiging confident ka sa sarili mo and mas ma-enjoy mo yung process. So, if you can, invest in good quality materials to support your creativity because you deserve it. You're worth the investment. Diba? Ito na yung side mo. Bumili ka na. I-check out mo na. Pero kung hindi mo pa naman talaga afford right now, you can make do with what you have. Ang mahalaga is everyday nagpa-practice ka and everyday you take a step to improve yourself. Yun lang naman ang importante is yung progress, yung araw-araw meron kang ginagawa para ma-improve yung sarili mo. So that someday, ma-afford mo na rin yung mga bagay na gusto mong mabili. But if you really want to use good quality materials, there are plenty of recommendations online that you can check. Yung mga mura lang naman na pasok sa budget at mga kalaban naman sa quality, di ba? At syempre, wag nating kakalimutan ang pinaka-importante sa lahat is yung ating confidence and ating creativity. Yes, tools can help, but it's your passion and your persistence that really make the art. And if you happen to finally afford those good quality art materials, huwag ka manghihinayang gamitin even just for practice because you're training with the tools you want to grow with. And the more you use them, the more skilled and confident you'll become. Yes, I know it's tempting to save your good quality paint and paper for something special. Pero sa totoo lang, mas masasayang yan kapag hindi mo ginamit. And honestly, practice is special too, you know. It's how you get better. Anyway, gusto ko lang magpasalamat kung nakaabot ka sa part ng video na to. Hoy, nakakaiyak! Char, masyado na mahaba. Sige na, bye! Keep on creating!